Truth about speculative mining, so let's mine away. Hello guys, Bitresponder here. Today we're going to talk about speculative mining, and speculative mining is nothing more than mining cryptocurrencies that are small in market cap and volume to achieve high growth aggressively during the process of computer mining, or otherwise known as CPU/GPU mining, usually coins that are risky and probably not safe to invest in. Now, speculative mining, really the term came up about 1 year ago when it started emerging, in terms of about the word and all that stuff. And basically 1 year ago, when the bull market kicked in and Bitcoin went to $20,000, most cryptocurrencies were coming up, cryptocurrencies, more tokens, coins, assets, ERC20 tokens, and some of them were mineable coins, and some of them had, big expectations and a lot of promise. You're going to make $1 billion mining these cryptocurrencies. And there is videos about this stuff, for example, altcoin speculative mining, for example, Ryo currency or Ryo coin. And we have this person in the communities called Cryptofish. Go subscribe to him. He makes these videos about speculative mining, but the problem is with speculative mining, there's a lot of bad things about it, and speculative mining could be cryptocurrencies that are small market cap, like Dubai coin or Dibix. You have Nerva, for example, or Ryo currency. So the first problem is it's not easy. I have a lot of people that come into my cryptocurrency channel and talk about, how could I start mining? How can I start actually making money? How can I start mining with my computer? And most of these people that are commenting, asking me questions or how to solve that problem, this thing, that thing, and the problem is, you cannot really start speculative mining because coins like WebChain, I remember actually covering this coin about in January 2019, back a couple months ago, and most of, I tried for 2 hours the day I tried to actually set this whole thing up, and look how complex it is. It's not that easy. You need to use command prompt, CMD, and even then you're going to have problems with either connection to the pool, connection to the computer, 64-bit or 32-bit machines, firewalls. There's a lot of factors that play into this. For example, we have Kudo Miner, which I always suggest to actually your first month to start actually mining with these guys, because these guys are actually, just put and set, type of software. You're mining with your GPU and CPU. And once you sign up through my link down in the description, you receive 5,000 satoshis sign up bonus, and if you mine for a week, you receive 10,000 satoshis bonuses. So it's actually all in bonuses. Anyways, so when you're mining with Kudo Miner, NiceHash, or any of these softwares, you're actually getting the ropes. These are GUI based. In terms of that, it's harder, and once you learn the ropes by mining through these softwares, you start actually understanding what is cryptocurrency, how to start mining, how to add addresses, how to use a Bitcoin address, Ethereum address, what am I mining, how to overclock, underclock, schmuck. Anyways, all this type of stuff. There's a lot of factors that you will learn once you start mining, once you start progressing, and once you start really building a portfolio of information, knowledge, and expertise. The next thing is really bad is not profitable. Now, I know most of you miners out there are looking for profitability, or you're looking to actually mine cryptocurrency as a hobby, but most miners are for the profitability side. In terms of speculative mining, I have covered a lot of cryptocurrencies that really have gone, wild, and you cannot mine them anymore, in terms of mining. And, one of them is GPU Union, GUT. This cryptocurrency actually got listed on an exchange, and then they sold all their cryptocurrencies and ran away. And most of these speculative coins that are coming out are doing these strategies. They set up a coin, they try to sell you out on a big idea, but then they tell you, listed on exchange, the coin increases in value, they sell the whole supply and run away. And that's what always happens. Micro Bitcoin, another cryptocurrency, had a lot of promise. In Korea we're going to become one of the biggest cryptocurrencies, we're going to actually make everything easy, and that was like months and months ago, and there was a lot of views and a lot of Discord members trying to promote this. So even in terms of profitability, most people are going to say, well, I could mine, for example, Nerva, I'm going to make some profit. Well, The volume is firstly too low, the market cap is reasonably also low, and they don't have any technology behind it. For example, some people are going to refer to Raven coin. You know, I used to speculative mine Raven coin, I used to make money with Raven coin, but the ratio is against you. You know, the chances are against you, because 1 in 100 cryptocurrencies are going to succeed. You know, what are the chances? And more than that, you waste time, money, energy, maintenance, electricity bills, everything to go all in this, you know, dump fire that you're going to waste all your time and mining and all that stuff. So most miners that are new to the community, even if you have a GTX 1070 Ti or RTX 2080 Ti, you know, I know that you are looking for growth, looking to actually make a lot of money, okay, in terms of cryptocurrencies, but at the end of the day, you need to stick to what works. For example, Ethereum, Monero XMR, Ethereum Classic, cryptocurrencies that are established and have a lot of difficulty, exchange listings, you know, volume, market cap, all that stuff. So focus more on what is established than speculative mine. And I remember, you know, another one of these disadvantages, and it's just all disadvantages, I'm just giving you 3 or 4 of these. It's not scalable. I had, you know, in January or February of 2019, I actually talked to someone on YouTube actually about GPU mining, and he had like a cryptocurrency mining farm. I forgot, you know, if he had like 100 to 500 GPUs in terms of the farm, and he was making about, you know, $50,000 a month in revenue. I remember that was back when Bitcoin was at $3,000 levels and Ethereum was only for 85 bucks. So it was really important that time that you're making 50,000 or something, you know, and he used to pay like $20,000, $25,000 in electricity. And I told him some type of, you know, a solution to this, how to make more profit. It was actually speculative mining, mining smaller cryptocurrencies that are emerging and that have high promise of growth, or at least that's what you believe in when you start in the cryptocurrency community. But there was a problem that he told me about, the third, you know, if he wants to take $20,000 liquid cash out of the market every month. Imagine these cryptocurrencies that are small, imagine the volume, how it will be. Because when you're mining, okay, you need to remember there's something called volume. Okay, we always suggest if you want to even trade cryptocurrencies, day trade them, you need to at least have 100 Bitcoin volume. 100 Bitcoins. This cryptocurrency has 6.58, so you don't have a lot of room to actually play in the market. And what happens is you're selling that $20,000 worth of this cryptocurrency, and you're literally taking a third of the market, and you're going to dump the cryptocurrency. You're going to create a power vacuum. You know, the team members will start becoming, you know, demotivated or really not into the project, and they will stop working, and the cryptocurrency will start dumping. The investors will start, you know, not investing. You know, you're going to have this power vacuum when you're starting to actually mine and speculative mining these cryptocurrencies like Sinovate, for example, because $20,000, okay, even if you have $1,000, it's really hard to sell it. Even this number is as a collective of all the exchanges, but when you go per exchange, it becomes even smaller. For example, go on Stex or go on Coin Exchange, for example. Try selling $1,000 there, it will not work. So what I'm trying to say is that remember these disadvantages. It's not scalable, it's not profitable, and it's not easy if you're a beginner, if you're starting out. So a solution is just mine what exists and use softwares that are easy at the beginning, and then scale up to actually mining with CMD prompts, and then mining other cryptocurrencies that are well established in the cryptocurrency space. And that's how you build actually a cryptocurrency portfolio, and a portfolio of knowledge, expertise, and mining equipment. So thank you guys for watching this video from BitTruth, and I hope that, you know, this video really benefited a lot of people in terms of mindset, because most people are telling me, what about this coin, let me mine this coin, make a guide on that coin. You know, that doesn't work anymore, and it won't work, to be honest, with the current market conditions or any conditions in the future. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on the next video.